it's about two figure. One is cube, another one is rectangular box or rectangular reservoir. Okay, the rectangular reservoir. The length of this rectangular reservoir we have given 3 meter, and breadth is given, what is the breadth is given here, 2 meter, and the height is given 1 meter. Height is 1 meter. Also we have given a cube. Okay, so what is the cube here? Okay, let me draw the cube. Okay, and what is the length is given here, 50 centimeter. So what does 50 centimeter in meter divided by 100, then it will be 0.5 meter. Okay, now the question says the cube is taken out after filling the reservoir with water. Okay, so first of all, this cube was not outside of this tank, this cube was inside of the tank. Okay, so I am placing this one inside here. Okay, so it was inside of the tank. Okay, after keeping it inside, we have filled it with water. Okay, so suppose there are some water here, we have some water. So water is everywhere today, it's raining also. Anyway, the question says now you have to take out this cube from inside. Then the final question is, what is the height of the water, or what is the depth of the water? Okay, length of the reservoir, that is 3 meter, breadth of the reservoir 2 meter, height of the reservoir 1 meter. So volume of the reservoir, length into breadth into height, cubic meter, that is 6 cubic meter. So this is the first part, we have got the volume of the reservoir. In the second part we will find out volume of the cube. Okay, now write down also given one side of cube equals to 50 centimeter equals to 0.5 meter. So volume of the cube equals to what? One side cube. Okay, one side cube means what? 0.5 cube, that is cubic meter, and so it will be 0.125 cubic meter. This is the second part. Okay, everyone please write with me. In the first part we have got volume of reservoir, in the second part we have got volume of cube. Now in the third part, what to do here? The question says now take this cube outside of this reservoir. Okay, so this time we have to take this cube outside of this reservoir. Okay, so now the reservoir is outside of here. Okay, so in the reservoir, inside of the reservoir there is remaining only water, remember, there is no more cube here. Okay, so what we can say now in the third part, please everyone write down volume of water only. Okay, volume of water only, what will be? Volume of reservoir, that is 6, minus volume of cube, that is 0.125. So what will be here? Let me calculate. It will be 5.875 cubic meter. So we have got now the volume of water is 5.875. And what was our questions? Our question was, what is the height? Okay, the question is, what is the depth or height, not about the volume, but we don't know what is the height. So write down, let depth or height of water equals to x meter. As we don't know, so let the height is x meter. Okay, the final part. Now write down, according to the question, length into breadth into height equals to the volume of water. Look, the volume of water is what? 5.875. Okay, so this is the important line according to the question. This one is the important line. You have to understand this line. So this 3 is the length of water, this 2 is the breadth of water, this x is height of the water. But in the stem, this 3 was given length of reservoir. As we know, the water takes shape of any of the pot wherever you place it, right? So length of reservoir and length of water are same here. Similarly, the breadth of reservoir and breadth of water are same. But why not the height of the reservoir is not same as height of the water? Because we have already taken out the cube from inside. So the level of the water is just less than the actual height of the reservoir, and that's why we have said the height is x. Okay, so only height will be changed, length and breadth will not be changed. Okay, I think now it's clear to you. Now please solve it and tell me the value of x. Okay, please tell me the value of x. Okay, so x equals to what? I see already 3 participants raised hand. Okay, Prathoma raised hand. Let's see, Prathoma.
Sir, 0.979 meter.
Okay, Yasir Hamim.
0.9792 meter.
Okay, 0.97 0.97
9.
9. Okay, so that is the answer. That is the height of this reservoir, right? So everyone, please review from the beginning. And in the question, length is given, breadth is given, height is given. So from this information, first of all, we have got the volume. We have got the volume here. In the second part, we have got volume of the cube. Okay. In the third part, subtracting these two volume, we have got the volume of water. Okay. Next, the question says find out the depth of the water or height of the water, but we don't know what is the actual height. That's why we say it is x. Okay. Then the final point, we say according to the question, length into breadth into height, that is the volume, and we have got this volume earlier. By solving, we have got the value of x, and which is the depth of the water, and that is the answer.